Eris is not a world of gentle beauty or familiar skies. It is a distant, frozen realm at the edge of our solar system, so far away that sunlight there is barely more than a memory. Named after the Greek goddess of chaos and discord, Eris lives up to its name not through violence, but through the way it shattered our understanding of what a planet truly is. For most of human history, the solar system felt complete. 9 planets circled the sun, neatly ordered, comfortably understood. Then, in the early 21st century, astronomers began to realize that the outskirts of the solar system were far from empty. Beyond Neptune lay a vast, dark region known as the Kuiper Belt, filled with icy remnants from the solar system's birth. Hidden among them was Eris, waiting to be discovered. In 2005, a team of astronomers led by Mike Brown announced the discovery of an object so large, so massive, that it rivaled Pluto itself. At first, Eris was celebrated as the 10th planet. Headlines spread across the world, and textbooks prepared for revision. But this discovery sparked something far more disruptive than excitement did. Triggered a planetary identity crisis. Eris forced scientists to ask an uncomfortable question. What exactly is a planet? If Eris qualified, then dozens, perhaps hundreds of similar objects might also deserve the title. The clean, simple model of the solar system began to crumble, and the debate reached a breaking point. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union redefined the word planet. Pluto was stripped of its planetary status, and Eris was placed into a new category dwarf planet. The decision was controversial, emotional, and deeply human. Eris had not just been discovered, it had rewritten the rules. Physically, Eris is a world of extremes. It is slightly smaller than Pluto in size, but more massive, making it one of the densest known objects in the Kuiper Belt. Its surface is coated in nitrogen, methane, and possibly frozen carbon monoxide, forming a brilliant, icy shell that reflects light like fresh snow in eternal darkness. Eris follows an incredibly elongated orbit, taking about 558 Earth years to complete a single journey around the Sun. At its farthest point, it drifts more than 3 times farther from the Sun than Neptune. Seasons on Eris last for centuries, and temperatures plunge to nearly absolute zero, creating one of the coldest environments known in the solar system. Accompanying Eris is a single moon named Dysnomia, after the goddess of lawlessness. Dysnomia's orbit has allowed scientists to calculate Eris's mass with remarkable precision. This silent companion dances around Eris in a slow, steady rhythm locked in the gravitational grip of its chaotic parent world. Despite its distance, Eris has become one of the most important objects ever discovered. It represents the boundary between planets and debris, between order and cosmic chaos. It reminds us that the solar system is not a finished sculpture, but a living relic of ancient collisions, migrations, and frozen time. The story of Eris is also the story of scientific humility. Humanity believed it had mapped the solar system, named its members, and understood its structure. Eris proved otherwise. It showed that knowledge is not fixed, and that even the most familiar cosmic concepts can be overturned by a single discovery. In mythology, Eris was the goddess who sparked the Trojan War by tossing a golden apple into a crowd of gods. In astronomy, Eris did something eerily similar, throwing a golden question into the scientific community and forcing a reckoning that reshaped modern planetary science. Today, Eris remains distant and largely unexplored. No spacecraft has ever visited it. No probe has tasted its ice or photographed its horizon. Yet its influence reaches all the way to Earth, shaping how we classify worlds and understand the architecture of our cosmic neighborhood. Eris stands as a reminder that the universe does not conform to human categories. It does not care for our definitions or labels. Out in the frozen dark, beyond the reach of warmth and familiarity, Eris continues its silent orbit unchanged, unmoved, and utterly indifferent to the chaos it caused. And perhaps that is the true legacy of Eris. Not just a dwarf planet, not just a frozen sphere, but a symbol of discovery itself, proof that the universe still holds the power to surprise us, challenge us, and force us to rethink everything we thought we knew. Far beyond the sun's gentle light, Eris waits, a world of ice, darkness, and disruption. A reminder that even at the edge of existence, the cosmos is still full of stories waiting to be told.